Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Thinkific and Teachable, two of the biggest online course platforms on the market. If you are a creator, a coach, an educator, or an entrepreneur, this comparison will help you decide which platform is right for you. And we're going deep with an honest look at an overview of each of the platforms, the main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and a final recommendation. So let's get started. With Thinkific is an all-in-one online course platform that lets you create, customize, market, and sell online courses. Also, digital products, communities, memberships, coaching, and lots more. All under your own brand without needing code. It comes with a drag and drop course builder, AI tools, analytics, and powerful selling tools built into the platform. Teachable, on the other hand, is similarly positioned as an intuitive online course platform used by over 150,000 creators worldwide. With Teachable, you can build courses, coaching programs, memberships, and digital products. You can also accept payments globally and leverage student engagement tools like quizzes, drip content, certificates, and more. Now, let us talk about the main features of each. First, course creation and learning experience. With Thinkific, there's a robust drag and drop course builder with multimedia support, which includes videos, PDFs, audio, images as well. And there's built-in AI tools for course outline creation and content suggestions. There's also a cohort, self-paced or scheduled courses and certificates. And of course, there's community and membership features which help learners to interact and stay engaged. There are live lessons, webinars, unified courses and community, and you can also learn on your mobile app. As regards Teachable, it has an easy drag and drop builder that's beginner friendly. Quizzes also available, drip content and certificates as well as student progress features. It works well for both courses and coaching or consulting products. And there are mobile apps for students to learn on the go. In terms of sales and marketing, for Thinkific, there's built-in commerce tools with no transaction fees at any level. There are bundles, coupons, order bombs, abandoned cart emails, and analytics integrations. And there's integrations with marketing tools like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Shopify, and lots more. And with Teachable, there's built-in payment processing, global tax, and VAT handling. There's also affiliate tools with automated payouts, upsells, referral programs, and sales pages. And there's smooth checkout flow and custom pricing options. Next, we talk about the analytics and support. For Thinkific, there's advanced analytics dashboards to track revenue, engagement, and student performance. There are also support that varies by plan. The higher tiers get priority and dedicated success teams. And as regards analytics and support on Teachable, they offer analytics and basic reporting on student behavior. They also support live charts on the higher tiers and knowledge resources as well. Having considered all this, let's talk about a very important aspect, the pricing. For Thinkific, there are 4 basic plans. There is the basic plan at $36 per month. There's a start plan at $74 per month, which is the most popular right now. There's the grow plan at $149 per month. And there's a Thinkific Plus where you schedule a call with the team and you talk to the sales team directly. Now, you can start on all these plans with a free trial. You don't have to commit to paying right away. You can test it out before committing to payment. And all these prices are the annual payment plans. If you decide to do monthly, the prices will go up. For Teachable, there are also 4 plans. There's a starter plan, a builder plan, a growth plan, and an advanced plan. The starter at $29 per month, the builder at $69 per month, the growth at $139 per month, and an advanced plan at $309 per month. There's also a 7-day free trial for all of these plans before you finally commit to payment. And if you decide to do a monthly subscription, the prices also go up. So what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Thinkific, powerful and scalable course creation tools are what you have there. There are no platform transaction fees, you keep more revenue. The analytics and customization are advanced and deep, and there's strong community and membership features. And the pros of using Teachable? It's extremely easy to use for first-time creators, and there's strong built-in marketing tools like affiliate payouts and automated tax handling. It also has great mobile learning apps for the students. How about the cons? For Thinkific, there's a more complex, steeper learning curve for beginners compared to Teachable, and some features require higher pricing tiers. And the cons of Teachable? The starter plans can charge transaction fees and also limit products. And there's less advanced analytics than Thinkific. Also, the layout and customization options are more restricted. So having considered all this, which one should you choose in 2026? Well, here is an honest answer. The best one depends on your goals. But here's a quick summary. If you're launching for the first time, you want a simple setup, and you plan to focus on marketing, coaching, or selling digital products, Teachable is a strong pick because it's super intuitive and its built-in marketing and payment tools are excellent at driving revenue quickly with less setup. On the other hand, if you're building a long-term learning business, you need deep analytics, community features, unlimited courses, and the ability to scale without losing revenue to transaction fees, then Thinkific is often the better choice. It's a bit more robust and developer friendly while still being user friendly. And that's it on the comparison between Thinkific and Teachable. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Kajabi, Podia, and Learn Worlds. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.